What is up, squad? Today we are going to be talking about apple cider vinegar. Now, it doesn't taste great on fries, it's not that fantastic in salads, it doesn't make you lose weight, and it definitely doesn't burn fat. So, why do I have a half-used bottle of apple cider vinegar in the apartment? Well, that's because it has a whole host of benefits that could definitely assist you on your weight loss journey. We're gonna find out what those benefits are, but first, you know the drill, it's journal time. Let's go. Today's journal entry prompt is an easy one. It's the last time I went to the gym or worked out was. Now, if you're new to this channel or new to these episodes, we do a journal entry prompt every single episode. Why? Because there are several benefits to journaling. It helps with your mood, it can help reduce stress and anxiety, it can improve your communication skills, as well as help you track your progress and growth. And those are just a few benefits. So if you haven't yet started, make sure to pause the video now, get a pen and paper, and do today's journal entry prompt. Anyway, back to today's episode, apple cider vinegar. Let's go. Back to apple cider vinegar. Now, very quickly, don't you dare get discouraged by me saying that apple cider vinegar does not make you lose weight or burn your belly fat. In fact, there have been several studies done on apple cider vinegar, but none of them have conclusively brought enough evidence to state that there is a direct impact between apple cider vinegar and weight loss. However, those studies have shown, and numerous other studies have shown, there are several benefits that make apple cider vinegar a great sidekick or assistant on your weight loss journey. So we're going to talk about some of those benefits, but before we do that, we're going to take this to the kitchen before I make a mistake and get it all over the wooden table. I'm getting the side eyes from Mrs. Muscle, so I better take this to the kitchen. Benefit number 1 and 2, I'm going to give you 2 in 1. Apple cider vinegar may help lower your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity, especially when taken with a high carbohydrate meal. Now, this is because the active ingredient acetic acid inhibits the enzymes that break down the starch, meaning if we don't digest that entire starch, we're not going to get that high spike in blood sugar levels. Now, various studies have shown that this is more effective for those who are already insulin resistant. However, it's important that we are somewhat sensitive to insulin, as mentioned in yesterday's episode. When we're sensitive to insulin, our body is better at converting those carbohydrates into energy rather than storing it as fat. Moving on to benefit number 3. Benefit number 3 helps with digestion. Now, what you want to look for is the raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized version that contains the mother. The mother is a thick layer of yeast which has loads of probiotics, enzymes, and helpful bacteria. The helpful bacteria is great for your gut. A healthy gut equals better energy regulation, better fat storage, and a stronger immune system. On to the final point, here is my apple cider vinegar. Cheers. Now, the acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar may help us better absorb vitamins and minerals like calcium and iron. This is beneficial for those that have low stomach acidity. So there you have it, those are some of the benefits, but benefits do not come without risks. For example, apple cider vinegar will delay the emptying of your stomach, and whilst this will make you feel fuller for longer, it can be detrimental to those that have gastrointestinal issues or diabetes. Now, if you have diabetes, definitely consult your medical professional or doctor before having apple cider vinegar, as it may also interact with some of your medication. Apple cider vinegar can also cause tooth enamel erosion, throat burn, and lower your potassium levels, which can be dangerous. So please, everybody, do your own research before having apple cider vinegar. Now, just a quick note, I have apple cider vinegar because I find that it personally helps me with my digestion and bloating. Whilst there is no evidence out there or studies or research that say it helps with bloating, this is just something I've experienced personally. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. Coming at you with another episode tomorrow, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, switch on notifications so you know when I am coming to speak to you, and I will see you again tomorrow. Peace.